Hi everyone, it's Tanya with KB Riley, otherwise known as Karen Berniston Pop-Up Dies, here with a little sneak peek of your February Tanya's Take Kits. For February, I have chosen the Flip Frame Pop-Up Die. This is a super fun die, and it's very easy. Anyone can do it if I can do it. And what you will get in the kit is everything that you need to make this card right here. That's what Tanya's Take's all about. So the kit includes everything to make the card on the cover of the actual die. Then on February 21st, I will show you how to assemble this card, but I will do another different card with this die set and give you my take on it. So here's the card that will be in the kits. Isn't that adorable? Grab it while you can. These sell out. And I will see you February 21st for the Oak event. You can find your kit at karenberniston.com. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. I'll talk to you soon.